We evaluated over 120 different blenders to find the best, then bought the 5 top blenders available today. Our tests compared performance on popular blending tasks like making smoothies and margaritas, crushing ice, milling flour, grating hard cheeses, mixing soups, and even making nut butter. There are many products available to choose the best blenders for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blenders for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Premium Blender Breville the Super Q. The Breville the Super Q is nearly perfect, with many thoughtful presets and attachments and unmatched versatility. The personal blender cup is big and durable, making it perfect for those on the go, while the blending top is efficient and easy to install. The tamper and scraper are helpful when blending green smoothies or pureeing nuts into butter or veggies into soup. The Super Q also heats soup to a whopping 154 degrees in 5.5 minutes. Sugar and flour easily grind into a powder, and hard cheeses like Parmesan shred perfectly to complete your pasta dinner or top your homemade pizza. The 5 preset buttons, Pulse Ice Crush, Smoothie, Green Smoothie, Frozen Dessert, and Soup, are clearly labeled and light up when selected. A dial controls the large, easy-to-read digital screen, and there are 6 settings: mill, puree, blend, chop, mix, and stir. This unit is dishwasher safe and has a cleaning sequence for those who don't have a dishwasher. High performance comes at a high price. While the price tag may deter some, the Super Q is well worth the money. It shows no signs of wear during our arduous testing and offers a very versatile performance. If you are looking for the best of the best and don't mind spending the extra money to obtain it, the Super Q is a wonderful option. Number 2. Runner-up blender Cuisinart Hurricane Pro. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro takes the cake for the best blender on the market. While there may be another model in our test suite that slightly outperforms it, we couldn't ignore that it costs a fraction of the price. The Hurricane Pro makes silky smooth smoothies and magnificently mixed margaritas. In addition to delicious beverages, this model easily powers through other tasks like milling flour and cornmeal or grating hard cheese without any trouble. It pureed velvety smooth tomato soup and even heated it enough to serve right out of the pitcher. This top-of-the-line product is convenient and excels across the board. It would make an excellent addition to any kitchen appliance lineup. However, we noticed some minor signs of wear and tear on the blade after our admittedly intense testing process. This should only be a concern if you plan to frequently do tasks that are hard on the blade, such as crushing ice without liquid, milling cornmeal, or making nut butter. Number 3. Long-lasting high-performer Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series. The Vitamix A2500 Ascent series is a premium product that excelled in the bulk of our tests, including the most difficult ones like milling flour and crushing ice. This model does a fantastic job at pureeing soup, and it can even warm it up to piping hot, ready to serve. On top of all that, the blades on this burly device showed practically zero signs of wear after our testing, so if you're planning to use it daily, it should make an excellent choice and offer lasting value. Unfortunately, this model is a pretty serious investment with a price tag that will cost you a few $100s more than our other top performers. That said, according to our extensive testing, it offers long-term value and can handle any blending challenge you throw its way. If you are willing to fork over the cash, the Vitamix A2500 is the absolute best. Number 4. Best bang for the buck NutriBullet blender. If the top model's price tags are well outside your budget, check out the NutriBullet blender. We were surprised by this budget blender's excellent performance, holding its own against other models that cost significantly more. It makes excellent blended beverages and smoothies and excels in some of the more difficult blending tasks, such as grating hard cheeses and pureeing nut butter. The NutriBullet can even heat soup to serving temperature while it's blending, something only the most powerful models can do. While we have mostly raving reviews, a price difference like this doesn't come without compromise. The NutriBullet is a bit less user-friendly and convenient to operate. It does not have a digital timer and lacks any automatic preset cycles for different blending tasks. This means that you have to get to know the different power cycles a little better before you can concoct the perfect margarita or breakfast smoothie. We also think it's a little difficult to clean under the blade. However, we found these issues to be forgivable due to the cost savings this product offers over the top-tier models. Number 5. Best multi-purpose blender. Breville the 3X Bluicer. The Breville Bluicer doesn't stop at smoothies. It doubles as a juicer, eliminating the need for a slew of kitchen appliances crowding your cabinets. While it does not create the perfect smoothie like some of the more expensive blenders in our test suite, it still holds its own. Our fruit, oat and nut smoothie is well blended and delicious, and so is the milkshake. It juices like a dream, but requires some elbow grease to get things going. It also crushes ice very efficiently and makes a decent margarita, as long as you don't mind a slushy consistency. The Bluicer struggles to break down berry seeds. It also falls very short in the soup making department. During our testing, it pureed a very chunky and inconsistent tomato soup. Not all is lost in the pureeing tests, though. To our surprise, it makes a great nut butter with the assistance of extra oil and a tamper. The Breville 3X Bluicer is a great option for those looking for a dual-purpose blender. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.